Downtown Las Vegas. Hey guys, thank you so much for the 500 likes. We are doing date night tonight. It's Saturday night and it looks busy already. I'm super excited to take you along. Here we go. Praying Mantis is going on. Anyone want to catch the bus? Not many people are on it.
Which is odd.
Everybody's coming here. They don't want to go back yet. $8 for 24 hours. They'll even haul your bike.
Yep.
Fremont East, here we go. We're gonna go to, where are we going first? Some burger place.
Feel Good Burger.
Feel Good Burger. Holy moly, that guy's in shorts and a t-shirt. Making me cold.
Here you go, I got you.
You don't like my recording already. I got revoked, you guys.
Oh, it's not that.
Inspire, we'd be the only ones in there.
Inspire. It's pretty cool. It's just, it's kind of early for that kind of vibe. Here we go, flipping good. We're gonna give it a shot. All right, well, we'll drink our drinks and then we'll go in.
This little place is super cute inside. Feel Good.
Flipping good.
Flippin' Good Burger. Oh, they have a scarlet and gray. Oh, I love it already. Look at that burger. The name of it is Scarlet and Gray. Everybody knows what that means, right? What does it mean? Buckeye fans. Is this new?
6 months.
No, we've been here, but we just renovated.
Ah, okay. Cool. Thank you. Oh, I'm so excited. Knox, you're gonna renovate yourself? That looks amazing though.
Maybe we should do, I know we want to try a few things.
I could just get this burger. It's probably their big one. Like there's, or and then I could get chicken bites. I don't know, I'm in the mood for chicken. What do you want in the mood for?
Do it.
I got fried pickles.
Cheers.
Foxtail. Cheers. I got, but it was called Daisy Duke. Doesn't that look amazing? Does to me. Anyway, this is stop one of our date night. I'm kind of excited. I'm hungry. Brownin, what did you get? Look at that burger. Has it got bacon on it? And an egg. That's random. I ketchup and egg together, but it'll be good. But look at those fries. Look at this, you guys. Oh, fried pickles. Sorry if you don't like pickles, but I love them. Caught you eating. It's a little spicy. Look at that potweed, you all.
Potweed.
Potweed, or what is it? A weed plant?
Is it real?
It looks like there's mud on it on top. Yeah, it's fake. But it looks real. There's Toy Shack. Toy Shack. Alright. We're going on the left side. Fremont East. Joy of hot dogs. Didn't there used to be a lobster place right there?
Yeah.
Lobster. Hot dogs replaced lobster.
And they're both in there eating.
Hot dogs.
Customers. Here, check this out.
No smoking, no alcoholic
Oh,
beverages.
you don't have anything.
Oh, you can't come in. But I'll show y'all. Look at this. Lavasaurus. It's kind of creepy looking. Look at this robot. Robots. He says, welcome to Fremont East. Look at the chess pieces. This little kid, it's almost as big as that little kid. I don't know how to play chess. Look at this haunted house, but I think you can go in there at some point. Look how massive the cornhole boards are. This is a Lyft bus. I don't know what they do in there. Maybe you can sleep in there. It looks comfy. Do you guys Lyft or Uber? Put in the comments. The Swan. Fancy. And then there's that Lyft bus. There's the Pabst Blue Ribbon guy. Oh, I like this little sparkly tree. They have hearts at the bottom of it that you can sit on like a bench. What is this little place over here? It's like a bird cage. Smells good. I think it's a restaurant. Mmm. Yeah, people are eating over there. It smells tasty. Alright, let's go find Craig. If you want, you can come to the Lyft Art Park, Fremont East side, right across the street. Craig makes friends everywhere he goes.
No, I was doing the other one.
So, we did the Lyft Park. Where are we going next? This place smells bomb. We should have eaten here too.
This is called Park. Hey, slice and a beer for $6.
Evil Pie. This is where Dave King.
There you go. Show them the deal they got going.
Dave King. Look, you can get a cheese pizza slice and a beer for $6 at Evil Pie, and we found it. Oh, you can't even bring your beer out. He just got busted.
Uh-oh, he's got all his lights on.
The police. What's in here? 512? Happy hour. All right.
We went there, Eureka.
We had breakfast there after our color run last year.
Yeah, that place is pretty good.
Yeah.
El Cortez.
Yep.
Vegas' oldest casinos.
You wanna go in there and get your beer? They have 50-cent roulette. Blackjack odds in Las Vegas, $5 minimum. Single deck, 3-2 payout.
Ooh, $12.95.
Prime rib. We've eaten there.
Let's go to Container Park. One of our viewers wanted to see that.
Oh, I want to
wanna
get street corn. But I'm not even hungry.
You're not?
Are you hungry already?
I could do.
I mean, I could eat a piece of street corn. I'm not even gonna lie. It's date night.
You want to cross here?
Show. We're going to the right side of the tracks. Lucky lady. I missed it. I didn't zoom up. All right, we're going to Container Park. Hopefully, while we're walking up, the praying mantis goes off.
Drinks in there, though.
Look, turmeric.
Where?
Across the street. That's what it's called. Wait, across Sports Street. Look, Stratosphere looks so close, but it's so far away.
Container Park. Get some of that.
Container Park. Boop, boop, boop. Oh, here it goes. Where did it go? How cool is that? Woo! Look at the praying mantis. That's really warm right now. This is the entrance of Container Park, y'all. How cool is this guy? Woo! Holy moly. Woo! Gosh, it's warm over here. Alright guys, we're at the Container Park. There's 3 different levels. And here is what you get. To make it quick and easy. So if I miss something, you know what they have over here. This is downtown Container Park. Here are their hours. And just so you know, it's free to get in here. You must have an ID after a certain time. I know Colin's been in here a couple times, so. Well, you could do a penny press.
Penny press?
Oh, there's kids in here. I think they kick them out around. Yeah, I think they kick them out around 9. What time is it? Yeah, it's 9 o'clock.
All right, bathrooms are down there too. All right, guys, we're going to Pinche Tacos for some elote. Hey, how are you? I'm good. Ready for some elote.
The bathroom was so nice and warm.
You didn't want to leave?
No. This little place is delicious though. They have amazing street corn.
Yeah, I got you. What do you got here?
corn soup. It's not street corn.
She didn't understand we wanted it on the cob. But it's all good. We're making the best of it.
It's like corn soup with cheese, Parmesan cheese.
We're inside 2 shipping containers. Shipping containers, babe.
It's 2 of them or just one?
Yeah, see this? Yeah, it's 2.
Alrighty. So, I feel like we're the only ones here at Container Park.
Right now, yeah.
Because they kicked all the families out and it's not busy enough to be 21 and up.
Vegan jerky, also available. What's vegan jerky?
What is vegan jerky even made out of?
If you know, leave us a comment.
Sassy. Oak and Ivy. American Whiskey Den. There's a lot of people in there. That's where they're all at.
I want a drink or a bite.
They got live music down
No,
here.
my faith is all I need, and I said, well, save me. 'Cause you don't need to prove a thing to me.
Look at all those locks. The locks of love. Aww. Downtown Las Vegas. Maybe you're gonna put a lock on there for us? That's a lot of locks.
I know. Well, they every time it fills up, so they fill it up 3.
And then they bring it over here. They put them on this. Oh, that's cool. I wonder which one was the first heart. Look at all these locks. Ooh, it's
10, 16, 18. Honeymoon in Vegas for Kayla and Travis.
Kayla and Travis. We see your heart. I like when they write something on them like that. He's really loud. That's what she said. There's a toy store down on the bottom. It looks like in a restaurant up top. Oh, you have to drink all your beer in here. This is why you get drunk on Fremont Street. Everywhere you go, you can't take your beer. That's outside of Fremont Street. Go create fun and add a little weirdness. Please exit from the front. Go create a little fun and weirdness.
Containers.
Yeah.
They used to be on the highway.
So anyway, there's a stage with live music.
There's a tattoo place back there.
And there's a slide. Baby, wanna go down the slide?
No.
It's a tunnel, your favorite. They have a happy hour here, 3 to 6 p.m. daily.
I'm getting cold, to be honest.
Yeah, it's kind of cold. Oh, we go out front, there's fire. You gotta, maybe if you went up and went down the slide, you wouldn't be so cold. Oh, we've eaten here. This barbecue place, it wasn't too bad.
Big urns.
It wasn't my favorite.
That corn.
That corn was disgusting. So Craig was supposed to go in and get Mexican street corn. And it's supposed to come corn on the cob. But for whatever reason, we got, when we received it, it was off the cob. And then there was like a heap of mayonnaise and Parmesan cheese on it. Why? You want some more corn?
That was so bad.
So anyway, we had Mexican street corn, just was not on the cob. Well, there's a pizza place up there. How come we've not seen it or eaten there? Anyway, welcome to Container Park. They're made of all shipping containers. It's pretty fancy, huh? And then you got this dome thing out here. It has a big praying mantis. What is this dome experience? Holy crap! I just jumped like 8 feet. Yeah, it scared me.
I felt it. I felt
Oh, that scared the bejesus out of me. Look, we're in the A from Container Park. So we think we're gonna go over to Eau Cortez and play a little 50-cent roulette. Maybe walk back down. What's the venue? So Fremont East is pretty badass. They got some cool stuff down here. Look at all that art slash graffiti, whatever you want to call it. I think it's cool looking.
Yeah, that's legit.
Yeah. Jeez, a stupid thing just scared the crap out of me again. But these are those bikes that we rented in Hawaii.
These are electric.
Electric. These ones aren't.
Yeah, but the electric ones are cool.
Yeah.
He wants a snook.
Look at that lady. She's called the Lucky Lady. She is flashing.
Lady luck.
2007. There, I might have turned off because the... Alright, so I've gambled a little bit and I lost. So now we're heading back through. What is this place? Is that like a club? Backstage something.
It was supposed to, I thought it was a billiard hall, but it's backstage bar. I don't know.
It looks like a live bar. Commonwealth.
Here's a good spot. You got plenty of bars.
Yeah. Oh, someone wanted us to go there. They have really good tequila. I guess. They know how much.
Where do you want to go?
Head home.
Alright, go.
I'm sorry, guys. Kind of lame. But that's how our date night goes. We have a few drinks. And then want to go home. Now, it was a fun date night. So it's so early in the night. It's smashed pig gastropub. That sounds delicious.
Oh, for the covers. Evil
There's a
pizza.
dog. Yeah, that pizza place is supposed to be really
Saw
good.
that dog earlier.
Yeah. This is just walk in. What happens next is our little secret. Ooh, that guy's back's on fire.
Yeah, right?
Mine would be. That pizza smells good. You smell it? Inspire Bar, Lounge, and Nightclub.
It's cool because it's 3 layers.
Yeah. I wouldn't want to fall down those stairs. Whew. Everybody weighing themselves. $240. Okay, maybe not. This guy says, good night, y'all. Peace out, Vegas. She-Ra. Who remembers She-Ra? My favorite cartoon as a kid. Hey everyone, thanks so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, subscribe. Peace out, Vegas. We love you.
Facebook and